welcome back. Today we're going to begin part 4 of the How to Budget series. My name is Adam Lasowski and welcome to the 3-Minute Advisor. Let's start the clock. Warren Buffett, he's a famous investor. You might have heard this quote before. He said, "Don't save what's left after spending, spend what's left after saving." Now, if you fall into the category where you're getting your paycheck, you're paying your bills, you're going out, you're having a good time, and if anything's left at the end of the month, that gets put into a savings account. Well, at this point, we don't have anything to put in our budget yet. So you can go ahead and have my blessing to skip ahead to about the 2:30 mark in the video. For those of you that are saving currently and can describe it, such as putting money into a retirement plan like a 401k, well, that's where we're going to get started with. I would classify these savings as automatic savings. So what we're going to do is go ahead and go back to our spreadsheet and take a look at how to capture that accurately. Now, if you're putting money away like this, but you're not really sure how much, there's a few ways that you can find out pretty easily. You can look at your year-end tax document for your earnings, your paycheck stub, or a statement from your 401k. An important note here, if you use a paycheck stub, it usually will report your contributions per paycheck. You'll need to convert this amount to monthly savings based on how often you get paid. Another way to find out what you're saving that a lot of people might not think of is to give a call to your HR department. If you have a dedicated HR department, sometimes a phone call is the fastest and easiest way. Now, if you decide to go this route and they bring up that you aren't saving anything yet, thank them for their time, let them know you're going to be calling them back very shortly to change that. Any money that you're saving where you're taking a deposit and you're moving that into savings after it's already hit your bank account, but before you pay any bills, we're still going to capture that. But we're going to classify that differently than our automatic savings for a couple of the steps coming up. I want you to capture all savings that you've done in this budget sheet that we've been working on. Again, we want this number to be monthly. It will need to be its own category, separate from expenses and income, and if you save into more than one account, again, make sure to list them separately. Now, in the next episode, we're finally going to be to the point where we can balance out our budget, start to look for some mistakes, and use this tool that we've created and apply it going forward. Remember, if your goal in starting this video was to get better at personal finance, congratulations. You've made it 2/3 of the way so far. If you have any questions, let us know how we can help. You can do this. Thanks for watching.